today I'm just going to share today I'm going to share some eye makeup tutorials on one eye. I'm not going to do any my base makeup. So now let's move on. So for my foundation, I'm going to use this matte look high coverage foundation in the shade number 04 ivory. So I will use this foundation as my concealer and as my foundation because it is very high coverage, so I totally needed that much coverage only. So I'm just going to take the one pump and I will take my beauty blender. I'm just going to tap it. Look at that finish. That is amazing. That is flawless, right? And to set my foundation, I'm going to use this Oriflame compact powder. Okay, this foundation is so good, and this compact powder is also really good. I'm just going to set my under eye. Okay, so first I will be going to put it right here. And next I will be using this brown gray color. And blend out the edges. And for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Colourfull eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this yellow color. Lastly, I'm going to use this shade, this orange shade. Okay, so eyeliner is done. Now I'm going to take the round brush and the black shade and just smoke it out right here. Now I'm going to use this palette for my lower lash line. I'm going to use this shade again. Same eyeliner on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use this glitter. concealer dot. See, now this is the final eye makeup. I just love this eye makeup so much. More makeup tutorials, make sure to like, subscribe and share. Till then, take care.